All right, guys, I'm heading on my way out of the farm. I'm just not getting any action. I got a funny feeling that this stuff is going on that just my cameras are not picking up. And so I think what I'm going to have to do is regroup, reboil, re-wax, and start with all fresh new traps. I'm kind of out of new traps right now. I've used them all up. They've all caught something at one time or another. And I think what I might be doing is just making the animals even smarter than they already are, or more leery. Either one is not good for me. So that's what I'm going to do. It's going to be a few days where I put up a video. We got big weather-related incidents coming in. They're talking 10, 15 inches of snow starting 5 o'clock later on today. Today is Saturday. So I'm going to pull the cards and I'll pull my motion-activated cameras and review what's on there. I'll put up whatever's on there. But so far, no canines since I redid this whole farm. So I think a little break is in order. And we'll go from there. All right, guys, thanks. All right, well, we got what they said we were going to get, but just stepping out my front door, and what do I see? Looks like I got paid a visit. Old Mr. Fox come in here, messing around my garage, took a sniff around, checked out the vehicles. He's checking me out.